Good morning, students. Today is Thursday, May 7th, and today we're going to have you do a couple things. First thing you need to make sure you have done is join your new CLA account for your class. So when you click on this, you're going to have to scroll down. It says opennewcla.com and then use the correct code for your class listed below and copy and paste it into New CLA and join our class. So obviously you want to be making sure you're joining the correct class. First and second block is here, third, fourth, and sixth, seventh. So the way you need to do this, now first of all, if you haven't joined New CLA and made an account, you're going to want to sign into New CLA and you're going to want to sign in with Google and use your school email. And then once you have an account, you are going to go to your name, which mine is the teacher dashboard, so it looks a little different, but you will want to click on your name up here and there will be a button to add a class code, and you're going to copy and paste it in there and make sure you are in our class. We will probably be assigning you most likely once a week something to read in New CLA, so this is the easiest way to do that. Once that is done, you can mark that as complete, and then the next thing is kind of a fun Thursday writing project. It's going to be an I am poem. So you're going to want to open this, which will bring you to this document. The I am poem has been assigned to you in assessments, so you'll want to find it over here, and when you open that up, you want to go to this poem. What I would recommend doing first is kind of like skimming what you're going to be doing and then looking at the examples. So Mrs. Pomager has an example, Mrs. Schumann has an example, and I have an example down here. And you can kind of see what we've done. The structure is very simple, but you can always add to it and change things up a little bit. But this is just generally how the poem will be structured. So it's about your culture and heritage, and we're generally talking about like where in the world did your family come from, but you can again change that a little bit if needed. So I would say brainstorm a little bit first, and then you're going to want to delete the lines and put in your response and make your poem. So that is it for today. Once that is done, make sure you mark this as complete, and happy writing and happy Thursday.